How to use Carjet comparing for beginners. So basically this is a marketplace and here you can see different prices for vehicles. So let's say you want to rent a car. Here you can see the best prices on this website, which is Carjet. So all you have to do is simply go to their website and then simply write your destination. So here you can choose any of these airports. Of course, if you want, you can search for different countries, but these are the most popular destinations. I'm gonna use these. Then you're gonna have to choose the date. So let's say June, and here let's change. So let's say from 5 June until 10. And here you can see that you're gonna have the option to search. So let's see which vehicles are available for that period of time. So as you can see, the price for 5 days, so 17 euros, which is an amazing price if you ask me. So here you can scroll down and you can see different types of cars. You have Toyota, you have Volkswagen, you have Peugeot, Opel Corsa, and here you can see different cars and different deals. Of course, if you want, you can filter this by fuel policy, pickup location, self-service, and much more. So all you have to do is simply click on view deal, and then here you're gonna have to simply pay. So if you want, you can pay online now, and you have this small fee. And basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.